this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried onion with eggs. And its Chinese name called 洋葱炒鸡蛋. The main ingredient we need 2 onions and 5 eggs. Those are 2 main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the onion. Cut it off. Now we peel the dry part of the onion. Okay, we cut the onion. We cut onion like this. So it will be like this. You see, the ingredient. This is how the onion looks like. Now we crack the eggs. Okay, this is salt. We add a pinch of salt to the egg. Not too much. This is a black pepper. We add a little black pepper to it, a pinch. On the stove, heat there. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it, and rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the eggs to it. Once it's cooked, we can off the stove. Add the egg back to the bowl. On the stove. Pepper. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. When the oil is hot, we add the onion to it. And fry. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, add 5 spices or just the black pepper. A pinch, don't add too much. This is the salt. We add, I think, a half teaspoon salt to it. Now when the onion becomes soft, we add the egg straight back to the pot. Try the onion. The onion is cooked. The flavor is good. So we have the stove, the dish is done. So the onion, the fried onion with eggs, this dish is done, and I hope you like it.